So this is a free tool. It is called Samsung FRP tool version 1.6. Yes, 1.6. So I'm going to bypass this FRP of Samsung S8 Plus. FRP of Samsung S8 Plus. What you do, just you enter USB, insert USB cable. After inserting USB cable, turn on this, stop, wait to turn on. First dial here. Yes. So you have to turn on this here. Kuyamba umusizi rikora ngo ariko atana kuyamba. Steady. All right. So here they are asking you to dial this. They are asking you to dial star hash 0 star hash. Yes. Then here I come here and tap. Here they tapped it. They're asking us to press OK. The button, yes. We've placed it, yes. So it's come again. It's come again. It's come again. So they are asking us to dial. We have already dialed it, yes, here. Now just press yes. Press OK. Kwata kubuli. Penaka kwata yo. They are asking us to press OK. Waiting for OK button here. I've already placed it. Earlier. Now they are finished rebooting. See? So let's wait.
Hello.
And they are saying that we are done. Yes. Yes. Assalamualaikum. Salam. Kajina. See? Since you did, you see the magic here. Don't worry about the magic. Keep wait. This tool is free. This tool is free. Now it is now done. So FRP is now removed. Seriously, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more latest updates. Assalamualaikum. Don't forget this tool is free. The version is Samsung FRP tool version 1.6. Assalamualaikum.